Hey everybody, it's Derek, Fast Cars and More. Just finished installing a rear diffuser from ZL1 Addons on my car at the crossbar back here. I think you can see it. Yeah, the crossbar there, mine was not threaded. So I had to get the kit with the little rivets that you put up in there. They sell a kit. I think it was 35 bucks. I got this one on Amazon for I think 25 bucks, 20 or 25 bucks, and pretty easy. It was kind of confusing on how to use it because all the videos that I looked at on YouTube, the rivets were already in there, and I couldn't film this with one hand and do this with the other hand, so I'll just go over quickly how you do it. So, and this comes with some already, this kit that I got. So basically you just screw the rivet that comes with the little whatever you call this deal here. I ordered the wrong one, so I got an extra one for the threaded crossbar. So anyway, the rivet comes on here. You just take it off, you screw it down on here, then you'll stick it up in the hole all the way, and then you just keep pumping it until it breaks loose. And it's simple process, but if you don't know how to use this and you're using it for the first time, it can be a little confusing. So I figured I'd make a video on it because I couldn't find any video that showed how to use this tool. It's just everybody picked up after they already had the rivet in the crossbar. So again, you'll screw the rivet off of this, put it on here, and then you'll just stick it up in the hole all the way, and then just pump, and it'll finally break loose, and then you can use this. So outside of that, then getting way back up in here with these was pretty, I ain't gonna say it was tough, but I got bigger arms, so it was a little challenging getting my arm all the way up in here to tighten it down. But once you get it started, the screws, the bolt actually kind of caught by itself, so all you have to do is just screw it down and till it tightened up. They don't say to use Loctite, but anytime I do something like that, I just put a little Loctite on it, and I'll probably still get underneath there and check these screws in a couple weeks just to make sure they still tight. But use a little Loctite. Like the way it look. Scoot out some a little bit so you can see it. And I am gonna change out the exhaust. I'm gonna go with the quad, the round tips. Just waiting to see if they're gonna have a Memorial Day sale before I order it to kind of save some money, but gonna go with that because I like the way that look instead of these rectangle tips. So, but anyway, got it on there, got it installed. I like the way it look. And as always, if you have any questions, just comment and I'll do my best to answer any questions, but it's on there. That's how you do it. Y'all have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye.